Hello, this is Eric at the Prince George Ford Pre-Owned Supercentre, and we're taking a look at the 2018 Ford F-150 in an XL trim and powered by a 3.3 liter V6 engine, providing you with excellent power for towing, hauling, and 4x4ing. Also coming with a light bar installed in the front bumper there. You've got your side steps down below so you can have an easier time getting in, and vent shades on the windows, and you do also have rear airbag suspension, providing you with a smoother ride while you're towing or hauling. And freshly detailed, so it's nice and clean, but let's take a look inside. So first, looking at the back, where you have your rear doors that fold all the way back to be in line with the bed of the truck, giving you easy access to the back seat, where you have seating for 3 that can be lifted up and out of the way to accommodate any other cargo you might want to put back here. Do also have 2 USBs, a 12 volt and 2 flip out cup holders in the middle, and vinyl floors throughout the vehicle, so no need to worry about a carpet that's going to get dirty. And looking into the front, this does have manual locks, manual windows, and manual mirrors, so nothing really to go wrong. Manual seats, of course, too, so not a lot can break electronically wise. And now sitting in the truck with it running and looking at the odometer, which is sitting at 38,661 kilometers. And moving down to the steering wheel, on the left side you have your controls to cycle through your information displayed here, such as your fuel economy. Let's go totally to the top. You have your distance to empty, your fuel economy, you have your auto start stop status. Can also look at your trip 1 and 2 information, of course, your mileage, time taken, fuel economy for said trip, driver assistance features, and settings for your screen setup and some other features around your vehicle. But then moving on to your center, your infotainment screen, which is radio and auxiliary capable, I believe, so you have some options there for whatever you want to listen to. And then shifting into reverse, you do have a backup camera, so you're going to be able to see where you're going and hopefully avoid hitting anything, with dynamic hitch view, so you can have an easier time hooking up a trailer or something of the sort. Then above your screen you have your traction control shut off, your hazards, and your auto start stop shut off. Moving down from your screen, you have your media controls, pretty simple, and then your climate controls, also very simple but easy to use. And to the left of that, you have your 4x4 controls and a tiny cubby down here, and on the right you have a 12 volt power outlet. And down beneath your climate controls, you have another 12 volt with your auxiliary, so you can plug something into power charge or hook up your audio that way. You do also have a little shelf where you can put your device while it's charging or whatever else you want to do. And looking at your column shifter, which does have select shift, so you can manually shift through your gears, and your drive mode selector at the end of the stock for normal, tow haul, sport, and that's it. But then moving on to your center console area, where you have 2 cup holders and your armrest, but then this can be flipped up and out of the way to become your 5th passenger seat and 6th seat overall, so plenty of seating in this truck. Then you actually have another compartment underneath that for just more storage, so that's nice too. But that should cover our look at the interior. So now if you're interested, feel free to give us a call at 250-563-8111, or just come on down to the dealership and have a look for yourself, and have a nice day.